How to change the screen layout as well as the apps grid layout. This is for the Galaxy A55 smartphone, and let's get started. The fastest way to these home screen settings is by long pressing a blank area on your home screen like this right here. You'll see the option where it says settings. You'll tap on that once. This will take you to the home screen settings for you. Now, once you're here now, you will tap on the screen layout option here. This is going to allow you to choose between having the home screen and that swipe up app drawer here. I'll show you that if you're new to Samsung phones, this right here, okay? So if you want that and have your different home screens like these here, you can stay with that. However, if you just want the home screen only and no app drawer, you will switch to this option here, okay? And every time you select an option, be sure to press apply so that can save for you. Then now, if you want to change the grid layout, you have the different grid options. So home screen is the apps that appear on your home screen. So this is going to allow you to increase the amount of space by choosing these options here. Notice how they kind of shrink in, giving you more space for more apps on your home screen pages, okay? And of course, be sure to press done to save that recent change. Now for the apps screen grid, this is for the app drawer. So if you have your app drawer enabled, you will be able to do the same thing here by choosing a different set of grid layout options. Okay, so more space, higher numbers, more space, okay? And be sure to press done as always. You also have the folder grid option. So the folder grid, you can have 3x4 or 4x4. And a folder is basically this one right here. So you see this Google one here, this is a folder here, and this is 3x4. So if you want 4x4, you can go in and change that option to give more space for more folders and more apps in there at the same time. And you can change these at any given time, like and so.